Hello students. Poem Friends 6th Standard English Notes Part 2. Question number A. How do friends help us when we are feeling sad? Tell your partner about 2 ways. Question B. How is the word when we have a friend with us? Beautiful. Comprehension. Main A. Enjoy reciting the poem first to your partner and then to the whole class. Question B. We can get good friends if we are ready to be good friends ourselves. Discuss in pairs and write 4 or 5 sentences on how to be a good friend. Answer. Yes, I am a good friend because I help my friends when they had in trouble. I listen my friend's words when he is in sad mood. I help my friend in solving mathematics problems. I don't let my friend alone. I understand my friend's feelings. Main C. Write affection or selfishness under the pictures according to what they show. First picture is selfishness. Second picture is affection. Third picture is also affection. Fourth picture is selfishness. Question D. The picture shows a particular scene. Look at it carefully and write down what the people in the picture might be saying. One sentence has been written for you. Example, Reena, what happened, Shamu? Why do you have a bandage? Shamu, yesterday I have a little accident. Reena, today where are you going? Shamu, I am going to the market. Mother, Shamu, bring some vegetables. Shamu, yes, which vegetables? Mother, tomato, onions, brinjal. Question number E. Write down the rhyming words in the poem and three or four more pairs of your own. First one, lift, gift. Second one, grace, place. Third one, mat, cat. Fourth one, pan, man. Fifth one, pig, fig. Sixth one, tall, hall.